It's me, Aisha, and welcome to my learning journey. For today's topic, we will learn about spelling two-syllable words with short A, E, I, O, and U sounds in CBC pattern. But before we start, may I request to you guys, please follow my page, share this video, and comment. I have here some examples. The following pictures have two-syllable words with short E, A, I, O, and U sounds in CVC pattern. First, vendor. Next, basket. Next, lotus. Spell two-syllable words with short A, E, I, O, and U sounds in CVC pattern. Spell words in CVC pattern, you need to know first the letters of the alphabet and their sounds. Short A sound is like the sound of A in apple. The short E sound is like the sound of E in egg. The short I sound is like the sound of I in ink. The short O sound is like the sound of O in orange. The short U sound is like the sound of U in umbrella. Now let us try to read the words below with middle short vowel sounds. Short vowel sounds A. Cat, bag, can, fat, and drum. Short vowel sounds E. Red, get, leg, wet, man. Short vowel sounds I. Big, bin, win, zip, kid. Short vowel sounds O. Hop, box, mop, pot, top. Short vowel sounds U. Bun, bus, nut, sun, fun. CVC stands for consonant, vowel, consonant. A CVC word is a three-letter word that follows spelling pattern of a consonant, then a vowel, then another consonant. Even if it's a new word for you. That's because in CBC words, the vowel is almost always a short vowel. Hey guys, don't forget to follow my page, share this video, and comment. Thank you. Bye.